This is exactly step by step how to transfer your American Express membership reward points to travel partners. So once you log into your American Express app and you're in, pick any of your eligible cards, and at the bottom you'll click membership. At membership you can click redeem rewards. And over here you have different options of how to redeem your rewards, and we're gonna click transfer points in the travel section. This is gonna open a different looking window, but you're still gonna be within the application. And then as you scroll down, you can just pick any of the partners that you wish. In this case, I'll pick Marriott Bonvoy over here. And over here, I can just put in basically how many points I'm looking to transfer. And in this situation, I know it's gonna be exactly 9,000 points. And over here, I'll be blurring out my account, but you should be seeing your account details, and you can link it before you do this. And then you wanna make sure that this number is correct, because once you transfer your points, there's no way of really getting them back into your American Express account. So scrolling down, you can click review transfer. And then right over here, you can say, hey, are you sure you wanna do this? And you can say submit transfer. And over here, you'll need to confirm the 3 digits on the back of your card. And after inputting it, you can say continue. This is an OTP verification, so I'll take care of this right now. After you verify, your request is processing. And just like that, you've transferred that number of points to that respective account.